Calculate the slope of each linear relationship using the formula. Show all of your work. The slope is rise over run. Rise divided by run. We can see what the rise is. The rise is y2 minus y1. And the run is x2 minus x1. And this equals our slope, which we'll call m. So m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And then we can have our slope. So here, x is the number of carnival ride tickets. And y is the cost in dollars. So let's find the slope. We'll call this 1.2 and this 1.1. So we'll go 12 minus 9 divided by 8 minus 4. This equals 3 divided by 4. Now let's try it for the next pair of points. 18 minus 12 divided by 16 minus 8. This is 6 divided by 8, which can be reduced to 3 over 4. The next set, 30 minus 18, divided by 32 minus 16. This is 12 divided by 16, which can be reduced to 3 over 4. So what is our slope? 3 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. I think our slope, or m, equals 3 over 4. What you'll notice is every time that x goes up by 4, y goes up by 3. That is what our slope tells us. Example B. Here are our x's and here are the y's. Let's find the slope. So we have our y2 is negative 2 minus 13 divided by 0 minus negative 1. This becomes negative 15 over 1, which is negative 15. Now let's try the next set of points. We'll go negative 62 minus negative 2 divided by 4 minus 0. This becomes negative 62 plus 2, negative 60 divided by 4 equals negative 15. The next set, negative 152 minus negative 62 divided by 10 minus 4. This becomes negative 152 plus 62. That equals negative 90. And on the bottom, 10 minus 4, 6. Negative 90 over 6 equals negative 15. So what do we have? For our slope, negative 15, negative 15. Say it with me, negative 15. So our slope is negative 15. Question 1C. These are the days past. X is each day that has passed. Y is vitamins remaining in the bottle. Now ask yourself this question. From one day to the next, do you expect there to be more vitamins in the bottle or less vitamins in the bottle. Hopefully, this person is taking their vitamins every day, so we'll see the slope be negative. Every day, there's fewer and fewer vitamins left in the bottle. Okay, so here is our calculation. 23 minus 25 divided by 8 minus 7. This is negative 2 divided by 1 equals negative 2. This means that this person is consuming 2 vitamins every day. Hopefully it matches with this. 21 minus 23 equals negative 2. 9 minus 8. Negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. 19 minus 21 divided by 10 minus 9 equals negative 2 divided by 1 equals negative 2. Say it with me. What's the slope here? Negative 2. What about the slope here? Negative 2, negative 2. The slope is negative 2. Question 1D. Here are your x's, here are the y's. Find the slope. Now what we can see is that all of the y's are 9. That means that it's going to be a straight line like this that's horizontal. That means our slope will be 0, but we have to show our work. 9 minus 9 divided by 18 minus 7 equals 0 divided by 11 equals 0. How about here? 9 minus 9 divided by 29 minus 18 equals 0 over 11 equals 0. 9 minus 9 divided by 40 minus 29 equals 0 over 11 equals 0. So what's the slope? 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a horizontal line. Question 1E. Here are 2 points. Find their slope. So we go y2 minus y1, 40 minus 25, divided by x2 minus x1, 55 minus 10. 40 minus 25 is 15. 55 minus 10 is 45. This reduces to 1 over 3, since we can divide both the top and the bottom by 15. Our slope is 1 over 3. What that means is that for every 3 that we go over, we go 1 up. Question 1F. Find the slope of these 2 points. Find the slope of the line going between these 2 points. y2, 3, minus y1, 19, divided by x2, 24, minus x1, minus 4. 3 minus 19, negative 16, 24 minus 4 is 20. This can be reduced. We will divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4. That will give us negative 4 over 5. That is our slope. Negative 4 over 5. Hooray!